These days, it's hard to grasp just how easy it is to make serious money with AI and social media. People are literally raking in $10,000 or more every month, all by creating these simple, short-form videos. But as time passed, these short videos became so saturated that it made me wonder if it was still even possible to make money with them, until I struck upon a fantastic idea. Everyone's posting 2 to 5 videos a day, which eats up a lot of time. But what if you could churn out 500 videos in under 10 minutes? Now, the tables are about to turn. If you can't beat the competition with quality, you can definitely outdo them with quantity. Alright, let's dive into the good stuff. First, open ChatGPT. It's free to use. We'll be using it to generate scripts for our videos. Just enter the same prompt I'm using and hit Generate. As you'll see, the script will be loaded with facts on topics like psychology, relationships, and deep life insights. The prompt I'm using works great, but feel free to play around and try different styles. Once you've got a script, do the same thing again to create more. Just enter, create 50 more in the same style without repeating the previous ones. That way, you're ensuring each script is unique. Now that we have our script, it's time to open Canva. Here's a quick hack. Canva offers a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro. Sign up, start your free trial, and just remember to cancel the billing plan before it renews. This way, you're getting Canva Pro for free, making your videos look even more professional. In Canva, search for YouTube Shorts and click on it. Then select Create a Blank to get started. Next, go to Videos and search for a theme. I like using nature and galaxy themes. Search for your topic and you'll see tons of options. Find a vertical video you like and open it. I'll go with this one, for example. Now, if the video doesn't fit perfectly, just drag it to the corners to fill the screen. Let's make it a quick clip. 5 to 6 seconds works best for short-form engagement. If there's audio in the video, just click on it and lower the volume to 0. Next up, it's time to add text. Head to the text section, click on heading, and boom, it's added to your video. Let's label this one as Topic. To make it pop, go to Effects and add a background. If it's not black by default, use the color picker to set it. Drag the topic text to the top and shrink it a little by pulling the corners. Center it, and it looks sharp. For an extra touch, you can tweak the font. Canva has loads of options, so pick the one that suits you best. Anton looks great, so I'll go with that now. Right-click on Topic and hit Duplicate, because we'll need it to create the Part 1 and Part 2 sections. Drag down the duplicate, rename it to Part 1, and let's get it set up. Remove the background and add an outline by going to Effects and selecting Outline. Set the color to black and adjust the thickness to 130 for this font. For Part 2, simply duplicate Part 1 and rename it. Make sure each text section aligns with the purple guidelines. Otherwise, longer text might not center properly. It's straightforward. Just follow along. Perfect. Now, right-click on the Part 1 section and select Show Timing. This feature lets you control when Part 1 and Part 2 appear. Set Part 1 to stay on screen for 4 seconds, then switch to Part 2. This shorter view time encourages replays, helping you boost views. Repeat for Part 2, but set it to show for 2 seconds. Here's how it should play out. The first fact will pop up, and in the last 2 seconds, the second one will appear. Now here's a hidden trick most people don't know. Go to the Apps section and find an option called Bulk Create. Click on it and head back to ChatGPT. Copy the script we created earlier, from topic to the end. Back in Canva, select Enter Data manually, then click on Name and paste the script you copied. That's it. The script is imported. Just click Done, and we're good to go. Now let's connect the script. Right-click on Topic and choose Connect Data, then select Topic. Now it's connected. Do the same for the Part 1 and Part 2 sections, making sure they link correctly. Part 1 to the first part of the script, Part 2 to the second. And that's it. Click Continue to review everything, and if all looks good, hit Generate Designs. Canva will automatically create the videos with your custom script. Here's the result. We just made 50 videos in a few minutes. Crazy, right? Now let's export. Go to Share, select Download, and make sure to pick Download Pages as separate files. Once that's set, click Download, and you're all set. It's really that simple to create these videos. But here's a bonus tip to polish them up and monetize them like a pro. To customize, open CapCut and import all the videos you created. Drag down the video you want to work on. To make it more engaging, we'll add background music. Search YouTube for free background music. Pick one you like and copy the link. Then, search Google for YouTube to MP3. Open a converter, paste the link, and download the audio. Back in CapCut, import the background music and drag it into the editing section. Let's trim it to sync with the video, adjust the volume, and add a fade in and fade out effect for a smooth finish. You can add sound effects too. Click on Audio, then go to Sound Effects. There are tons of options. Let's go with the ding sound effect. I'll place it at the start of the video and again at the beginning of part 2. Perfect. Now, let's add a fade in and fade out effect to the video itself. Click on the video, open Animations, and find the fade effects. To make it even more engaging, let's add another effect. Go to Effects, pick any effect you like, drag it down, and adjust it to fit your video's length. And there it is. Here's how it'll look at the end. To export, hit the Export button, select 1080p at 60 FPS, and click Export. And that's it. Now, you might be wondering, how can I make money from these videos? Let me explain. You can monetize these videos on 3 main platforms: YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. On YouTube, you'll earn through ad monetization. To get there, you need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views. With YouTube Shorts, you can make anywhere from 1 cent to 6 cents per 1,000 views. On Instagram, as your engagement grows, you can make money by reselling accounts and selling shoutouts. Typically, shoutouts can earn you between $50 to $500. On TikTok, there are options like the Creativity Program Beta and account reselling. For the Creativity Program, you'll need to create 1-minute videos, which can earn you up to $1 per 1,000 views. This is super easy. You can just stack the short videos you made on Canva to create a 1-minute compilation. Here's a bonus tip. You can monetize on all these platforms without needing followers by using affiliate sales. If you're interested in learning more about making money with affiliate sales, drop a comment below and I'll make a video on it. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates. See you in the next video.